Okay, in this topic we have to learn about the integration. So in this integration topic we have like these questions have integration of x power 3 by 1 plus x power 8. So in this we have to let us discuss about it. So how to solve this problem means we have to solve it easily. So in this type we have no formulas, so let us discuss this like very simply. That is, this x power 8 will be written as first one x power 3 by 1 plus x power 4 power 2. So 4 to the 8. So this is process dx. So in this x power 4, so let we know this is x power 4 is equals to t. So differentiate these first. So in this type we have to learn very easily. So dt by dx. So dt by dx. So dt by dx is equals to, in this differentiation we have already learned d by dx of t. So d by dx of t means x power 4 now, x power 4. So as per our formula, d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So this is the formula. So substitute in this formula. So here n is 4 into x means x and n means 3 minus 4 minus 1. So that is 4 x power 4 minus 3 4 minus 1 3. So this is the answer. So in this one d by dt by dx is equals to, we get 4x power 3. So we have to simplify in this very easily, you know. So let we know this like dt is equals to, this is a by, so in this side it will be multiplied. So in this side it will be multiplied like this. So after this we have to substitute in this is. So how we substitute in this means x power 4, in the place of x power 4 there is, we have to substitute like this. In place of dt we have to place this. If not, in place of dx, in our convenient we have to write like conveniently. So if dx we have to write, dx means dx x power 3. So this total will be here and this 4 will be goes other side. So dt by 4. So this is the another form. So from this we get this. So we have to substitute in this now. Integration of x power 3 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square dx. So as per this one we have to write very easily. 1 x power 3 means x power 3, it's a constant, and into 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square dx. So this is a process, and after this we have to write like this, x power 3 dx to 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square like this. After this we have to write. So our continuation topic is, this is the last step now. So in this step we have to substitute those formulas. So in this step we have to write, we already get this now. So we have to substitute dt by 4 in place of this. So in place of this we have to substitute dt by 4. Next we have to substitute in this place, that is x power 4 means t now we know our 1. So 1 by 1 plus t whole square. So in differentiation we have to do like this. And next one, in this 1 by 4 is out, this is the constant, and next 1 by 1 plus t square, and remaining one is dt, and this is the dt. So as per our integration formula, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square, that is equals to tan inverse x plus c. So this is the formula for this. So we have already one of the formula for this. So in this place we have to substitute the tan inverse x, means here x is t now. So x is t means we have to write 1 by 4 tan inverse x means t, that is t, tan inverse t plus c. So this is the total one. Now substitute in this t place, that is our assumption. So substitute, write t is equals to x power 4 in it. So in this one we have to write 1 by 4 tan inverse x power 4 plus c. This is the answer. So like this we have to substitute the formulas, and we have to do with the certain formulas with certain answers. Thank you everyone. See and enjoy.